Hello mi gente, this is Cindy. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make chicken bites. They're going to be mango habanero and lemon pepper and a little bit of red hot wing sauce. And then also we're going to make some rice with cilantro, white rice with cilantro. And this is what you need for your mango habanero. Some brown sugar, honey, well of course the lemon pepper, and sweet baby rays, sweet and spicy, lots of butter, and some mango concentrated, just a little bit, just to combine all the flavors together so they could stick together. So we're gonna use habaneros. These are already washed, and then 2 mangoes, and then for the rice we're gonna use the cilantro. For the dry ingredients for the chicken, all-purpose flours, cornstarch, and of course my favorite, caldo de pollo. And then we're gonna get some breast chicken. We're gonna cut it up. So I have my breast chicken. It's already clean and everything. I'm just gonna cut off the fat because I really don't like the fat. And then we're gonna slice it, and then we're gonna make little cubes off of this. So okay, this is the chicken, right? Like, I don't like this part, I'm gonna take it off. If you like it, go ahead and leave it, but I don't like it. So we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it. Slice, and then we'll put it to the side. We're just gonna make some strips to make square, and then yeah, you cut it. How big you want them, how small you want them, it all depends on you. The flour. And the cornstarch with all the spices. Okay, now we're going to get all flour and everything mixed, the dry ingredients. So you're going to get your container, and then like about everything is how much salt you want. This is like maybe like a spoon of cornstarch, some pepper, and then the caldo de pollo, like maybe 2 spoons, and then you mix it. Mix it well, and then you add the chicken. Now we're gonna do the white rice with cilantro. 2 cups of water, like about a teaspoon of butter, and you're just gonna let it get. Once the butter is melt, then you add the rice. I'm just gonna do another 2 cups because I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice. Here's my other 2 cups of water. And then remember, with the rice, it's the same thing as the Mexican. If it's 2 cups of rice, it's 4 cups of water. And then you're gonna add a little bit of oil, so your rice right now won't get it won't stuck together, porque si no se va a pegar. And yeah, le movemos, and then just let it get hot. Now it's boiling. You're gonna add the 2 cups of rice. Y así no se te le va a pegar, you know what I mean? And then you move it around, and then you're just gonna add a little bit of consommé de pollo. Like a spoon, and that's it. The cilantro is going to give it a lot of flavor too. So we're going to cover it. And like I lost the tub for this, I'm going to use a plato. So now that you add the arroz, you move it around to get like the clumpies. And then yeah, like I don't have the top for it, I'm going to use a plato. And we're going to leave it like that for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to add the cilantro, and then we're going to cover it again for 5 minutes, and it's going to be done. Get the mango habanero sauce ready. We're going to peel our mangos. And then vamos a tostar los chiles. Just a little bit without aceite. Okay, without no oil, we're going to heat them up just for it to get that kick. Right now, I'll show you. So now we're going to tostar the habaneros. We're going to take off the tail. And then we're just going to tostar those real quick. So that's the way you cut them. It doesn't matter how big or small, because they're still going to go into the blender. So you just cut them para que no batalle la blender. They're kind of cold, so I could manage them so they won't be so slippery. So now you put them in the blender. And then we're gonna do that with the other one. And then once we're finished doing this one, cutting it up, we're gonna cut up the mangos habanero. You take them off from the heat. You open them and you take up the seeds, so it won't be so extremely hot. But I want the flavor, so I'm gonna take off the seeds. You don't have to if you don't want to. But I do, because I have an 11-year-old. And a 17-year-old. And then you do that to all of them. It's kind of picoso, so don't touch your eyes or nothing after this. And then do the same to all of them. They're clean. So now that the arroz is like this, we're going to add the cup of cilantro. We're going to mix it well, because the cilantro is going to get very little. And we're going to cover it for another 5 minutes. No, about like 7 more minutes. And it should be done. The rice it's done already. After 5 minutes, I let it sit. And this is how it looks once it's done. So this is done already. Your mango and habanero is already in the blender. The habanero is already there, blender. So we're gonna use a cup of brown sugar. How much honey you want. That's how sweet you want it. I'm gonna put half of this or more than this. A little bit more para que espese, so I could get that thickened. Alright, not so much. And then just a cup of mango. A little bit less than a cup. That's just to help it blend. And if you need to add more, well then you add more. And then it's a cup of sweet baby Ray's, sweet and spicy, or less. It all depends how much you want on it. And now we're gonna blend it. All together. Don't add no water, just a cup. I had to add a half a cup of this again. That the rice is done, we're gonna put our sartén to cook with aceite, like a cup and a half of aceite. And then here's the flour already ready. After 30 minutes sitting there with flour, then we're gonna start frying it. And then here's the mango habanero we just did. We're gonna start turning it on. Okay, now it's on. Low heat. Very low heat, so I can start getting the flavors. And as soon as the chicken is done, we're gonna add it to the mango habanero and then take it out and put it in a plate. And we're gonna do the same thing with the lemon pepper. So now we're gonna add our chicken to the fryer. We're gonna add as many as we can. That's why we cut them in squares, because they're gonna separate right now. I added a cup, so it was in total a cup and a half of butter. And we're gonna add more lemon pepper, because it is gonna come out a lot. So don't go to waste. We're gonna do everything. Lemon pepper. And the mango habanero is already getting the thicken from the... Look how good it is. I like it like that for the chunks, because you could taste the mango. So así ya está quedando. So ya lo vamos a venir sacando. We're already going to take it out. So this is what I'm going to do. So it'll be so greasy. I'm going to add to the mango habanero. I'm going to add the chicken to the mango habanero already. But I don't want a lot of grasa on the sauce. And then we're going to do with the lemon pepper, we're going to do the same thing. And that's what we're going to do to all of them. So I'll be back. Okay, now that they're all done, I take them out. I just want to give a shout out to Crystal Marie from Barrio Love Oldies for the support. And whoever wants a shout out, just leave a comment. Y así quedó el plato. Arroz con cilantro, a little bit of vegetables, y luego lemon pepper chicken bites y el mango habanero bites. Así es como quedó el plato. I know it's a little bit dark in here, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you for the next time. And put likes on it. Thank you.